In this video, we will discuss competition analysis. There is so much competition in all industries. All websites look alike. All salespeople say that their company will do everything that the buyer wants them to do. Multiple companies can also play the SEO game well and get their pages be ranked on search results. As part of the company's policy, you will easily have a minimum of 3 vendors to win over. Let us look at how companies will shortlist the multiple vendors into 3 final competitors. The questions in the first stage will be, does the vendor claim to have understood the business problems and provide some evidence? The questions in the second stage will be, who have they done this implementation for? And what benefits have the other companies got? Is it closer to the benefits I am looking at? The questions in the third stage will on the depth of their experience in solving similar problems. Taking trials of the products if it is possible. Checking out their pricing and timelines. To name a few. Looking at the stages, you would have figured out that you will have to beat the competition at each stage. The competition does not exist at only the final stage of the buying cycle. You have to now analyze who your competitors are. Is your buyer going to tell you who these people are? No way. So, how do you even analyze? Try asking the buyer on what sort of companies is the buyer trying to compare you with. What are their evaluation parameters of the vendors? You will now be able to at least find out the category of the competition. You will also have to adopt the consultative selling methodology that we saw on this channel. This scientific-led approach will make the buyer confess a lot more to you. This is because they want to work with you. Once you know the category of the competitors or the actual ones, you can then position yourself in multiple quadrants in the positioning map. You will now be able to group the competition into multiple buckets. You can build a positioning stance against each competitor and can state why you are better in multiple aspects. Most importantly, the comparison should be done on context. This is important than the size of the competitor or the price range of the competitors. This can be easily done once you understand the context of the buyer's pain points. The sequence can be finding out the buyer's needs, mapping the buyer's needs with your offering, articulate the business benefits, differentiate why you are the best. Doing the competition analysis in this method will help you go into the final stages of the sales cycle with data. You will also, at multiple stages, get an idea on how strong your position in winning the deal is. This will help you to qualify and increase the chances of your winning the deal. Connect with us on our social media or on our blogs to get the insights on digital marketing and sales. Excited to meet you again soon on the next video or on the next blog.